What is the VELUX potential? Instead of explaining it, it might be easier to show you the VELUX potential in Emma's home in Edinburgh. Although this is a beautiful 1930s bungalow, there were areas of the home that weren't quite reaching their full potential. Let's start with the gloomy north-facing extension. Vertical doors just weren't bringing in enough light. Now, with the new VELUX curved glass roof light, it's transformed into a light, bright, welcoming space all day long. Next up, Emma's home office in the converted loft. There was already an old roof window in there, which still worked fine, but wasn't really energy efficient, and the old pine finish was looking a bit tired. Now, with a brand new white painted VELUX roof window in place, the loft feels much more modern, light and airy. Emma also had a bathroom up here in the loft, which was dark, dreary and in need of some modernisation. Installing a VELUX roof window like this only takes one day, and look at the difference it makes. It completely transforms the space. Not only is it now flooded with natural light, the bright white polyurethane frame gives the room a whole new lease of life. And it's moisture resistant too, so it couldn't be better for humid rooms like a bathroom. This is realising the VELUX potential, and as you can see, it's easier than you think to realise the VELUX potential in your home.